My name's Dean Howley. I'm an instructor in the School of Business here at Trent University, and this is the $100 startup. And so what I do is I give students 4 weeks. I tell them to invest $100 of their own money, and with that they have to generate as much revenue and profit as they can. And so this is the result, our $100 startup market. What I'm hoping for them to get out of this is truly hands-on learning. We can teach them all we want, we can give them the theory in the classroom, but until they actually have that hands-on experience, they try what it is we're talking about in the class, they just don't understand it. And so this is really and truly being an entrepreneur. There are many different challenges. There's probably no one big one except for the Universal Student Challenge, which is time. So they have to do it early, they have to do it often, and you can't start a business without taking that time and putting the effort in. And those who procrastinate get really scared when the market comes. Real entrepreneurs don't always have a coach. And so I want them to feel what it's like to have a challenge and to fail even, and know what it's like to go through that process and be able to persevere through it.
Oh, I'm Finn Wells, this is my group, and we are ProPix Peterborough. We're doing professional headshots for students, and our whole idea is that we're undercutting the usual market price. If you want to get professional headshots done normally, $200 to $300. Our headshots are just $10. We accept debit, credit, cash, instant turnaround. We've already had a lot of success. Say figuring out how to set up a business at process, but I set up like a Square Reader and some other things, and it really taught me a lot, kind of just like hands-on learning style. Team cohesion. Through this experience, you know, we had some hard times, but we really learned to work together effectively as a group, and it taught me a lot about teamwork. It taught me a lot about working with other people, and I think overall this experience has been really rewarding.
Hey guys, I'm Kirsten Brown. My project for our entrepreneurship class decided to do a cake in a cup. We realized that it might be hard for college and university students to get a sweet treat, because going to the grocery store you would have to buy the ingredients in bulk to make your cake. So then you have a lot of leftover ingredients, and we thought, why not pre-portion the ingredients and have a cheaper price to enjoy a sweet treat. Very small scale, obviously, compared to what you could do outside of the school or continue to grow it, and it took a lot of work to begin with. So starting small scale and realizing how much work actually goes into it, I think really surprised me. So doing a project that might be bigger than this would take a lot of effort.
Everyone has a birthday, as we know, and you can make that day special with one of our cards. We're Prestigious Co., and we made homemade cards with the cricket here at Trent University. We have plenty different designs and different colors for every event.
One skill we developed was the skill of collaboration. It was an amazing experience to be able to work together, and we also were able to be resourceful through using the cricket machine at the Critical Maker Studio on the 4th floor of the library. It was an amazing tool, and they were super helpful there to be able to make us our beautiful products.
I'm Max, and I'm with Packs and Tracks. So we sell custom-made Pokemon packs. Our reason of doing this is when you go to the store and buy Pokemon packs, they're $10, and you're not even guaranteed something good or something you like. Well, right here, you see what you get.
I realized that people buy Pokemon cards a lot, but they don't have specific cards to complete their collection. Found these cards, made custom packs so people can finish up their collections, and they don't need to buy like one specific card for like $1,200. All the professors, especially Dean Howley for this course, he's been giving us like a lot of practical insights about real market and how to get like work done.
Hi everyone, so I'm Ronit, and we are here from Just Cheesecakes right now, also called JCRN. And this is part of the business is part of our class, and we are selling homemade gourmet cheesecakes because we felt like there was kind of a shortage of that in Peterborough. So we wanted to do something which was local, homemade, and as well as something which tastes amazing and can be used in every event or just for a sweet treat as well.
One thing about Trent Education that prepared us for this project was when it comes to group work and classwork, having to combine and organize your time accordingly to like balance all your time in terms of schoolwork, in terms of your own life, is what helped with this project specifically. A combination of all that is what Trent Education helped with.
I'm Crystal, and we are Keycraft. So we've made customized keychains, and they are 3D printed and Cricut printed keychains. So what we've done here is we've made a combination of them with accessories, and they are $5 each, and we're just hoping to accessorize people's car keys and backpacks and everything like that, as students do in university. My classes have helped me prepare for this, just because we look at target marketing, market research, everything like that. From first year to third year, we've prepared for this. So all of them have come together now in our entrepreneurship class, and that's really helped us prepare.